Hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S9, and you can apply the same procedure on S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, or even mostly all of the S series. So but before that, I would request you to please go and subscribe my channel, because I just checked, like, a lot of people are watching my videos but they are not subscribers. So please go and hit the subscriber button below and hit the bell icon, so whenever I post something you will get the notification about it. So for this one, how you can do factory reset, all you need to do is go to the settings, go to the easy way to do that is click on account, backup, restore. I'm sorry, you need to go, all you need to do is search, click on here, find reset, reset here, reset settings, factory data reset. All you need to do, just do that, factory data reset. Hit the factory data reset and click on the reset button. It will reset and wipe out everything you have it. And most of the time, whenever you have your Samsung account, it's going to ask you for the Samsung account password. And in other words, the same procedure also called soft reset. So to do this, let me tell you one more time. Go to the settings, go to general management, click reset, factory data reset. So now when I hit reset, this whole phone will delete everything and will reset, wipe out everything inside your phone. Most of the Samsung phones, you can go to the setting, click on the search icon, type reset or factory data reset. You can reset any phone, any Samsung phone, that way. Even sometimes the other models like LG, Motorola, all you need to do is go to the settings, search the factory data reset option, hit factory data reset, and then reset everything. So that's the easiest way. People also call this like a soft reset. You can do that too, you can call it too. And after that, I will upload the video how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy S9. That will be my next video. Please, once again, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, so you would know that whenever I'm uploading a new video, you'll get notified about that. And that's it for the day. Phone is still being resetted and it will turn on the main screen. So that is it. Have a good day. Bye.